gang, welcome to your 8-minute leg toner. 16 exercises, 30 seconds each. Work yourselves into it. You're gonna get great legs. All right, let's start. First exercise is a squat. Hands out in front, just bring it down parallel to the ground. Knees are slightly flexed, abdominals nice and tight. This is working the front of the legs, the back of the legs, the hamstrings, and all important gluteus maximus. You're warming up the body. 8 minutes, that's all we're doing, gang. You can have great leg shapers. Nice and easy. Slow and controlled. That's it. Nice and easy. There you go. Not doing deep knee bends, remember that. No stress on the joints. And release. Next exercise is a quad extension. Grab behind the knee and just bring the leg in and then back out. That's it. This is quadricep extension, the front of the thighs. Controlled movements. You can really feel this. Nice steady movements. It's working the front of your thigh. That's it. You can really feel these. Squeeze each repetition. Contract at the top. There you go. That's it. Nice and simple. All right, let's go to the right leg. Grab above right here and squeeze above the knee. That's it. Working the right quad. Slow and controlled. Contract each movement. Nice and firm and controlled. Work yourself into this program. Can't do all 30 seconds, that's okay. Nice and easy. That's it. Pace it. Pace yourself. And release. Now, we're going to work the outer thigh. A bent leg press and then back. Outer thigh up and back. That's it. Want more resistance? Put one hand here. That's it. Nice and controlled movements. We're working the outer thigh and that bun area. Very important. Keep your abdominals nice and tight. That's it. Remember, we're only going 8 minutes, gang. Work smart, not hard. Abdominals nice and tight. That's it. And switch sides. Right leg. Bent leg out and then press back. Bent leg out, press. That's it. Abdominals nice and tight. Out and press back. That's it. Keep them nice and firm. This really works. In just 8 minutes, you can have great legs. You're working the outer thigh and the buns all at the same time. That's it. And release. Now, we're going to work an inner thigh movement here. Bring the left leg across the midsection of your body and release. Right across that midpoint. Put one hand here if you want added resistance. It's working the inner thigh. That's it. Squeeze. I can really feel these. It's like you're at a gym. You're feeling the contraction right there. Across the midsection of your body. The midpoint. Good form here. Try not to lean. And release. Right leg across. Here we go. Right leg across and down. That's it. Good. Nice and firm. Really feel these. We're going to really tighten it up. That's it. Nice and controlled. Work yourself into the program. You don't have to do all 30 seconds at once. Simple. That's it. Well, I can really feel these. And release. Now we're going to go with a hamstring curl and then a butt lift. That's it. Curl the leg up and then lift. Curl, lift. Curl it up, lift. That's it. And lift. Curl and lift. Working the hamstrings and the butt. That's it. Squeeze tight. Abdominals nice and firm. And release. Squeeze tight. That's it, gang. And switch, all right? Right leg, curl up and lift. Curl up, lift back. That's it. Up and lift. Up and lift. Up and lift. Squeeze tight. Working the hamstring and those buns. Up and lift it up. You're going to have great legs in no time, gang. That's it. Controlled movements. Squeeze back. There you go. And release. Okay, now we want a quarter squat here. Left leg going out to the outer hip. Out. Down. Out. That's it. Squeeze tight. Want more resistance? Put one hand here. We can really feel these. The outer thigh, the outer hip area, the problem area. We're going to really help you firm it. That's it. You're really firm and tone. That's it. And release. Let's go to the right side. Quarter squat, down. That's it. Nice and easy. Controlled movements. Working the outer hip area, the thigh. You have great legs in just 8 minutes, gang. You're doing great. That's it. One more. That's it. And release. Now we're going to do a front and a back lunge. First the left leg, bring it out, go to the center, and then back. Bring the leg out to the center and then back. Make sure that the knee does not go past the toe. This is a front lunge into a back lunge. Great for the quadriceps, the hamstrings, and the gluteus. Nice and easy. Abdominals nice and tight. That's it. Good form here, gang. No knee injuries. That's it. It's a great leg shaper. And release. Okay, right leg out. Bring it now to the back. Right leg out in front, to the back. It's a great leg shaper. Good form. Knee does not go past the toe. That's it. Nice and easy. Simple movements. Very, very good. Well, I can really feel these. How you doing? Couple more, gang. You're doing great. That's it. And release. Now, just like a pretzel, bring the left leg up, follow the thigh. You're working the inner part of the thigh. That's right, the heel follows the thigh. You put the left hand right here for added resistance, working the inner part of the thigh. Keep your abdominals nice and tight. Just bring it straight up. Well, you can feel these. That's it, the inner thigh. Another problem area. We'll help you firm it up. Guaranteed. You're doing great. And release. Other side, right leg, and release. Just follow the thigh with your heel. Good form here, okay? That's it. Abdominals nice and tight. You can feel these. Hang in there, gang. I'm almost finished. Nice and simple. Controlled movements. That's it. Couple more. And release. Now, plie position. Accentuate the feet out with a calf raise. So bring it down and then up on the calves. Bring it down, up on the calves. You can really feel these. That's it. You're working the quadriceps, the hamstrings, the gluteus maximus, and the calves. You work the whole lower body, gang. You guys did great. That's it. Nice and easy. Squeeze. Controlled movements. That's it. Couple more. Hold it, and release. Good job, guys. I'll see you in 24 hours. Way to go. Way to work.